And here you see three dogs.
My Sky. Hi, Bella. Cookie? You want a cookie?
And then here comes. And this is a typical day in Sandyland.
Small, medium, and large.
There they are. Where's the little one? There she comes.
Hi, baby. It's outside, Sky. Hi, Cookie.
Oh, we have something going on. Could be excitement. Let's go see. What could it be? Oh, here's a little bee miser. She's running.
Who's outside, Sky?
There's Sky.
Cookie?
There's BB. Let's see. We have all three of them. Well, don't have to worry about intruders here.
Here.
BB.
No, don't get excited. Here you go. Oh, you know, don't you, Bella?